Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Naruto sketch. First, let's gather our essential drawing tools. You will need a few pencils with different lead hardness, such as a 2H for light lines and a 2B for darker strokes. Good quality drawing paper, like a 90-pound or 100-pound weight, will hold up well. Don't forget a reliable eraser, perhaps a kneaded one, for clean corrections. Having these items ready sets a strong foundation for your artwork. Now, let's establish Naruto's basic proportions and pose. Start by lightly sketching simple geometric shapes for the head, torso, and limbs. A common guideline for anime characters like Naruto is a height of about 7.5 heads. Think about a dynamic action pose that reflects his energetic nature. Use a light central axis line to ensure symmetry and help with the placement of his features and limbs, making sure everything looks balanced. Next, we will focus on Naruto's iconic facial features and hair. His spiky, blonde hair is a key element, so use sharp, upward strokes to capture its volume and direction. Place his large, expressive eyes approximately 1/3 of the way down from the top of his head. Don't forget his signature 3 whisker marks on each cheek. Finally, carefully sketch his Konoha village headband, ensuring the symbol is clear and recognizable, adding to his distinct look. Finally, let's complete Naruto's outfit and add some shading. Carefully outline his signature orange and black jumpsuit, paying attention to the folds and creases in the fabric. Include smaller details such as his ninja pouch on his leg and his open-toed sandals. To bring your sketch to life, apply light shading to create depth and volume. For darker shadows and texture, consider using cross-hatching techniques. This will give your Naruto sketch a polished and finished appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.